Welcome back to the channel. Today we're out here with the 2004 Ford Taurus. So this vehicle does have a vacuum leak. I also took care of another issue that it had. So the first issue, it was transmission fluid was coming out of the dipstick. So we did have to vent, or what I would call vent the plug that is under. Let me see, can I get it so you can see it? Where are you? It's right under that silver bar. It's a little black cap. Pull that off, put a little breather hole into it, and that stops that. I did have to clean it up down here because it was everywhere. Now, as you see, that cardboard is around the hose. I'm going to fix that. The dipstick was actually rubbing a hole in the line, so I didn't want to puncture the line. So I got to figure out why the line is hanging so low, or what is the issue with that. But for now, that cardboard is there. It shouldn't be a problem. We'll figure something out on that. But right now on the vacuum leak, finally found it. It took about an hour. So this hose right here is dry rotted. I already have unhooked it from the I'm not sure if it's a PCV, whatever you want to call it, whatever it's called, from that piece. And then the hose goes down in here. That's what had a hard time finding it. I heard the sound over here, but down off in there, not sure you guys can even see that. Oh, you can see like the little black piece right in there. It's connected to that. So we got to reach off in there and disconnect and connect the new hose. So let's get to it. All right, so we got the old hose off. See, dry rotted. This is the side that was leaking. Let's see if I can find where the leak was. Somewhere on here. As you move it, it was leaking. So got the new hose. This is like a gas, what they say this is, the fuel line, but we're gonna trim it to the size we need real quick, and then we'll go from there. Flashlight with me.
So where is the hook?
So we were looking for, see that tube?
Right
wait. That tube right there, guys, that's the one we got to get this hose on. And that's the piece that it's hooked to right in the back.
So
okay, so we put the new line on here. Got it on there best as I could. They can't see it. So there's about a notch off. Sit and turn it so to crank up. Once it crank up, stop turning the key. Let it go. All right, I don't hear it anymore. I believe we're all set. I wasn't able to put the heat part back on the hose, but it's running up higher now, so it's away from the heat down there. Other than that, thank you for watching. We'll catch you on the next video.